Recycling bottles, particularly plastic and glass ones, is an important practice in waste management and environmental conservation. Here's a summary of the advantages and disadvantages of bottle recycling. Advantages of bottle recycling. 1. Environmental protection. Reduction in landfill waste. Recycling bottles reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills, helping to conserve space and reduce pollution. Conservation of natural resources. Recycling conserves raw materials like sand, limestone, and petroleum used in the production of glass and plastic bottles. Lower energy consumption. Recycling bottles often requires less energy than producing new ones from raw materials, leading to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Reduction in pollution. The process of manufacturing new bottles can release harmful pollutants. Recycling reduces the need for manufacturing, thereby reducing pollution. 2. Economic benefits. Job creation. The recycling industry provides jobs in collection, sorting, and processing of recyclables. Cost savings. For manufacturers, using recycled materials can be cheaper than producing new materials, reducing overall production costs. Revenue generation. Recycled bottles can be sold to manufacturers who use them to create new products, generating revenue. 3. Resource efficiency. Circular economy. Bottle recycling supports the concept of a circular economy, where materials are reused and recycled, minimizing waste and maximizing resource efficiency. Reduced demand for virgin materials. Recycling reduces the need for virgin materials, thereby preserving natural habitats and reducing the environmental footprint of extraction activities. Disadvantages of bottle recycling. 1. Contamination issues. Mixed material contamination. Bottles made of mixed materials, e.g. a plastic bottle with a metal cap, can contaminate the recycling stream, reducing the quality of recycled materials. Residue contamination. Bottles that aren't properly cleaned before recycling can lead to contamination, making the recycling process less efficient or even impossible. 2. Energy and resource-intensive energy costs. Although recycling uses less energy than producing new bottles, the process still requires significant energy, especially for the transportation and processing of recyclables. Water usage. Recycling facilities often use large amounts of water to clean and process bottles, which can be a concern in areas with water scarcity. 3. Economic challenges. Market fluctuations. The value of recycled materials can fluctuate, leading to economic instability for recycling programs. High initial costs. Setting up recycling infrastructure can be expensive, especially in regions where such facilities are not yet established. 4. Limitations in recycling. Downcycling. Some plastic bottles can only be downcycled into lower quality products, which may eventually end up in landfills. Finite recyclability. Certain materials, like plastic, can only be recycled a limited number of times before they degrade to the point of being unusable. Conclusion. Bottle recycling has significant environmental and economic benefits, including waste reduction, resource conservation, and job creation. However, it also faces challenges such as contamination, energy and water use, economic volatility, and limitations in the recyclability of certain materials. While recycling is an essential component of sustainable waste management, it must be complemented with other practices such as reducing bottle usage and reusing containers to maximize environmental benefits.